Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI P10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app, which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter the settings. If you cannot find them here, if you cannot actually find this panel, no worries. Just tap on this plus icon in the upper panel, not one, but plus, and it should open properly. Then let's enter the settings, and here again tap on the settings icon, which is on the right side. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see here we've got three different lists. The first one, your languages, so here we've got the languages which are currently applied. Here we've got pre-installed languages, which means that they are kind of in the memory of this device, but if you cannot find your language here, no worries, just scroll down and tap on all languages, and basically you will be for sure able to find it here and simply download it. Just tap on it and your device will download the language. But let me pick something from those options which are pre-installed to fasten the whole process. And let me pick maybe Greek. Let's simply tap on the language, and as you can see we've got this information, so we can go to the top of the list right here, and we've got the Greek applied, which is really important if you want to change the language completely, so you don't want to have 2 or 3 different languages added. Right now you have to simply turn off the language which you don't want and then long press to delete. However, I will not do it right now. I will show you later on how to do it, the full tutorial, full steps. However, I'd like to show you also how to use this keyboard whenever you've got 2 or 3 languages added. So we've got English and Greek. So now we can go back to the keyboard. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, immediately we've got actually the Greek layout, which is okay. So we can freely type in Greek. However, if we want to change the keyboard layout, we have to simply swipe our finger on the spacebar, just like that. And as you can see, we can freely set English, and right now we can type in it. In the same situation if we want to Greek again. So as I said, this is how to kind of use the keyboard when you've got 2 different languages added. Now let me show you how to remove it completely. So just go back to this section and let me remove Greek, because I will type in English overall. Okay, so first of all, as I said, turn it off, so the Greek will not be shown. However, it is still on this list, so you can turn it on whenever you want to. But if you want to remove it from here, just tap on it and hold it and tap on delete. It will be immediately removed. Of course, no worries, you can still find it in the pre-installed or all languages list. And right now we've got only 1 language applied, which simply means that of course we cannot swipe on our spacebar because we've got only 1 layout. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.